Washington County in central Vermont until 6:45 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Crown Point, moving east at 30 miles.
Northwestern Windsor County in southern Vermont, west central Orange County in central Vermont, southwestern Washington County in central Vermont, east central Essex County in northern New York, southeastern Chittenden County in northwest Vermont, Addison County in central Vermont, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Crown Point, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Bridport, Middlebury, Way Bridge, East Middlebury, Ripton, South Lincoln, Granville, Hancock, Warren, Waitsfield. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Monday evening for northern New York and Vermont. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Vermont: Addison and Windsor and Essex County, New York. Now here's the